Look at the time over here. It is 10:45 p.m. I should probably sleep because I'm feeling very sleepy. But here I am sitting in front of you because बहुत जोर से content आ रहा था. I like this space on my own when nobody is around here. The reason is that I can sit and talk about anything, even if it's in front of the camera, and there's going to be no one who's going to sit and laugh at me. बाय द वे ये घड़ी 9:45 पे रुक गई है. सो अभी 9:45 नहीं हो रहे हैं. इट्स इवन लेटर देन दैट. एंड वन ऑफ द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ sitting here at such a time is that the dogs are barking outside and I can hear my voice echoing everywhere. कोई नहीं, don't worry, all is well. हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ निधि एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट वन ऑफ द वीडियोस दैट हैज़ नेवर बीन पोस्टेड बाय मी ऑन यूट्यूब. ऑब्वियसली मुझे यूट्यूब पर वीडियोस बनाते हुए अभी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है. इट्स नॉट बीन अ मंथ ऑल्सो. बट व्हाट हैपेंड वंस वाज दैट आज से कुछ 3-4 डेज पहले की बात है. आई हैड टू गो along with my father and my sister to leave her to her university. उसको वापस जाना था तो we all planned that let's go. मेरा भी वीक ऑफ था तो I thought why not, it's a good idea. मैंने कभी उसकी यूनिवर्सिटी देखी भी नहीं थी. तो I planned this way and I know this thing that from Jalandhar to that particular place it takes around 2-3 hours. So मैं इतनी देर तक क्या करूँगी कार में बैठे हुए. तो मैं एक वीडियो शूट कर लेती हूँ and I'll edit it in the car. Okay, this was my plan. Obviously the previous day, जिस दिन हमें जाना था उससे एक दिन पहले थोड़ा सा काम था जिसकी वजह से आई कुडंट शूट द वीडियो इन द डे. सो आई थॉट कि एटलीस्ट एक वीडियो मैं रात के लिए तो रख ही सकती हूँ अराउंड around the same time, right? Like around 11 or 12 I can just come up and shoot a video, right? अब मेरा प्लान तो ये था एंड मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट आफ्टर शूटिंग एवरी वीडियो आई चार्ज माई माइक्रोफोन. आई एम यूजिंग समथिंग दैट आई जस्ट बॉट आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी वन डे. मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव और ये मुझे काफ़ी इंट्रूगिंग लगा. तो आई वॉज लाइक कि यस, व्हेनेवर आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट माई कॉन्टेंट क्रिएशन जर्नी आई विल डेफिनेटली यूज़ दिस. सो आई बॉट इट अप ऑन ब्लिंकिट. यूजुअली क्या होता था कि मैं हर वीडियो को शूट करने के बाद इस माइक्रोफोन को चार्ज पे लगा देती थी. बाई चांस what happened the previous time I shot the video was that it was very late obviously and I forgot to do that. So उस particular day when I was shooting this video I did not know कि मैंने अपना माइक्रोफोन चार्ज नहीं किया है and its battery is going to die soon. राइट, ऑब्वियसली इस डिवाइस पे हमारे एयरपॉड्स या फ़ोन्स की तरह कोई बैटरी इंडिकेटर तो होता नहीं है कि हम लोगों को पता लग जाए कि कब इसकी बैटरी डेड होने वाली है. तो it was all like this. So I started shooting the video, it was going fine, and I did not know about it until I had spoken for a continuous period of 15 to 20 minutes. And then I looked down and I was like, यार ये माइक चल क्यों नहीं रहा है. It was at that time that it clicked me कि इसकी बैटरी डेड हो चुकी है because I did not charge it completely and मे बी मेरी वीडियो में वॉइस रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई होगी. एंड वही हुआ. फॉर द फर्स्ट 5 minutes द वॉइस वॉज ओके, इट वॉज वर्किंग. बट उसके बाद 10 से 15 मिनट जो रिकॉर्ड हुए थे उसमें मैं सिर्फ बोल रही थी, मेरी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी. यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट दिस. एम्बैरेसिंग.
I'm sorry.
Obviously, when I realized the fact that this video is not going to be of any use to me, and looking at the sensitivity of the time, because obviously अगली सुबह we had to travel early morning, so मैं इतनी देर तक जगी भी नहीं रह सकती थी. Obviously उस टाइम तक ऑलरेडी 2 बज रहे थे एंड आई वाज लाइक भाई अब तो सो जा तू, अब कोई फ़ायदा भी नहीं है. प्लस द फैक्ट दैट आई लॉस्ट माई पेशेंस एट दैट टाइम बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक यार मैं इतनी देर से बोलूँ कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हुआ. इस बात को बताने का रीज़न ये था कि आई थॉट दिस थिंग दैट नंबर वन मे बी अगर मैं थोड़ा सा इस बात को लेकर कंसिडरेट या इस बात को लेकर चौकन्नी रहती कि हाँ मुझे अपने सारे डिवाइसेस को चार्ज करना ज़रूरी है बिफोर आई स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस वीडियो शूटिंग और वट एवर, I would not have faced this thing. Number one. Number two is that even while doing the video or while shooting the video, I should have kept a track of the mic. Obviously, it does not look good. Like every time if I keep on looking down and just looking at the mic. But Isn't it a good idea to just like put it on charge for 1 hour before you start shooting the video, right? Number three is that if it's working fine for me, like पिछले 6 महीने से it's working fine for me, these products do not come with any warranty or a guarantee. So isn't it a good idea to keep a backup with you, right? So are backup plans necessary for your life? Obviously I'm not taking into consideration, ये तो बहुत एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल था आपको इस चीज़ के बारे में बताने का, but life is very unpredictable, right? And sometimes what happens is, obviously हर बार ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से चल जाए. Sometimes you have planned something and that plan does not work. Maybe that was not fated, maybe it was not written for you to go in that direction or to become that person or to get that particular thing. But still we keep on weeping about why didn't we get that. And obviously it is a very good saying that whenever you want to achieve something or whenever you want something, अपने आप को पूरी तरीके से झोंक देना is very important. Like if you want to follow your passion, if you're not 100% dedicated to working on that, it's not going to work anyway, right? But what if God has written something even bigger for you in your life, right? You might have thought of becoming something which you thought could have given you the sort of happiness and made you contented for life. But after 5 or 6 years of your life, you find yourself in that saturated position जहाँ से तुम वापस भी नहीं जा सकते हो. It's not going to be worth it in the end, right? Life is written differently for every person, right? हर इंसान की अपने struggles, अपने sacrifices, अपनी problems, अपनी achievements होती है. In today's world, it is very difficult as the competition is getting very tough. And I'm not saying that you cannot do something. If you work hard, obviously you're going to get the results 100%. But what if that one day is unlucky for you, right? So, calculative decisions, whether it's for your life, your career, your job prospectus, anything is necessary. I'm not saying this thing that आपके पास इतने सारे backup plans होने चाहिए that at the end of the day you get confused to the point that you do not even know what to do. So knowing what you want to do with the surety of whether you can achieve it or not, whether you can work hard enough to achieve it or not is very necessary. And you should also have a plan or something in mind that you know you can excel in if you are not able to achieve that particular thing. There was a quote that got very popular when I was in 9th standard, and I almost saw it on the Facebook status of every individual in my friends list, that shoot for the moon, even if you fail you'll end up amongst the stars. So aim high, but do have stars around you that can catch you when you fail, or rather if you fail. Technology is moving ahead with a very rapid speed. Anyone who was working at that time and is working still can feel the difference. Changes ऐसे आए हैं and it is very important for you to change as well. Remember one thing, if you refuse to change with the world, it will change without you. So it is very important for you to keep a track of whatever you are doing and having backup plans, having things which you can rely upon if you fail. Because no matter how temporary failures might be, or whatever failure might try to teach you, but when it comes, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. So it's very important for you to deal with it correctly and then find a solution as to how you can work on that. What are your opinions on having a backup plan or not? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.